For today's project, we'll need scissors, a pencil, a Sharpie, orange paint, brown paint, 2 rubber bands, some burlap, some glue, cardboard, and water, and a paintbrush. You want to begin with your cardboard, scissors, marker, and a pencil. If you want, you can also use a straight edge, but you're going to begin by drawing a line to cut your cardboard into whatever shape you want. Then you're going to cut it out. Next, you're going to get your burlap and cut it out so that it fits over the cardboard. Next, you're going to get your 2 rubber bands and you're going to make sure that it's nice and taut over the cardboard. And you're going to get a rubber band and stretch it over so that it holds everything in place. Then you're going to get your other piece of cardboard and a pencil, and you're going to draw a pumpkin. This is going to be a pumpkin that's going to fit between these 2 rubber bands that you can place here, that you can later use your marker to trace the shape directly onto the burlap. It might help to draw your lines with the Sharpie so you know what your parameters are. You don't want to go bigger than this. Now we're going to cut it out. Then you can get your orange and squirt directly onto the burlap. And you can start to paint. Now, we wait for our pumpkin to dry. Once your painting has dried, you can do one of 2 things. If you have glue, you can get your glue and we'll work on gluing this down to the cardboard. If you don't have glue, you can leave the rubber bands and let your piece sit as is. Once we have our glue, we're going to get it on our paintbrush and we're just going to start applying. Because burlap has so many holes, the glue will make its way through the cloth and it'll stick to the cardboard. But if you want to be extra safe, you can always lift this up a little bit and get some underneath. Like this. And kind of brush underneath and in between, just kind of get a bunch of glue in there. Be careful with your work surfaces, you don't want to get glue on them. And just do this until you have run out of glue. Make sure that you get both sides. Then you just want to let it dry. This part is optional, but you can get a sheet of paper, place it on top, and then get a book or another heavy object to weigh it down so that the canvas and everything sticks together. And there we have it. We've created some fantastic Halloween decor.